Most people look at a millionaire and think they were born rich. But here's the truth. 79% of millionaires didn't inherit anything. They weren't lucky. They didn't have connections. Many earned average salaries. The only thing that made them different was a simple plan they followed for years. And in this video, we're breaking down that plan, step by step, from the book Baby Steps Millionaires, so you can start building real wealth too. Chapter 1. The Truth About Millionaires. Dave Ramsey destroys the biggest myth right away. Millionaires are not special. They're not lucky. They're not born wealthy. His research from over 10,000 plus millionaires reveals most didn't go to fancy universities. Most didn't own businesses. Most weren't making six figures. Most build wealth slowly, through habits, not income. Here's the reality. Being a millionaire is not about how much you make. It's about how you behave. Wealth is built through patience, discipline, and consistency. This book is a roadmap for ordinary people, teachers, nurses, technicians, taxi drivers, office workers, to reach millionaire status using a simple plan. Chapter 2. The 7 Baby Steps. The entire book revolves around 7 steps, simple, clear, and proven. Baby Step 1. Save $1,000 for a starter emergency fund. Before building wealth, you need stability. This small emergency fund stops you from borrowing every time something unexpected happens. Baby Step 2. Pay off all debt using the debt snowball. List your debts from smallest to largest. Pay minimums on all, then attack the smallest one first. Why smallest? Because it creates momentum. Every debt you eliminate boosts confidence. Financial success is 80% behavior, 20% head knowledge. Baby Step 3. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses. Now you build a full safety net. This protects you from job loss, medical emergencies, or life surprises. Once you're here, you're stable, truly stable. Baby Step 4. Invest 15% of your income for retirement. This is the turning point. This is where you plant the seeds of millionaire status. Ramsey recommends investing 15% into retirement accounts, mutual funds. Index funds. Millionaires didn't hit big. They stayed consistent for years. Baby Step 5. Save for your kids' college. Optional for some, but powerful. It helps your children start life without debt. Baby Step 6. Pay off your home early. Imagine this. No mortgage, no monthly house payment. Your biggest expense gone. Most millionaires Ramsey surveyed owned their homes outright. Baby Step 7. Build wealth and be generous. This is where life transforms. You invest more. You live freely, you give generously, and you create a legacy that lasts beyond your lifetime. These steps are simple, but simple doesn't mean easy. They require discipline, and that's where most people give up. Chapter 3. Real millionaires aren't who you think. The book is filled with true stories. A school teacher and a nurse. A single mother working 2 jobs. A couple drowning in debt. Immigrants who arrived with nothing. And all of them followed one path. The baby steps. These people didn't win the lottery. They didn't get lucky. They didn't own big businesses. They lived below their means, avoided debt, budgeted, invested consistently, stayed focused for years. Ramsey's research shows the average baby steps millionaire takes 7 to 12 years. Not overnight. Not in 6 months. Not with shortcuts. If they can do it, you can too. Chapter 4. The Psychology Behind Wealth. Dave Ramsey explains that money is more psychology than math. Here's what real millionaires have in common. 1. They delay pleasure. They don't upgrade cars every 2 years. They don't buy toys with borrowed money. 2. They avoid debt. Debt kills your future. Ramsey says, debt is the enemy of wealth. 3. They budget every month. Millionaires track their money. They're intentional. 4. They stay consistent, no matter what. Not emotional, not impulsive, not trying to get rich quick. 5. They believe in the long game. They understand compound interest. They understand sacrifice today for freedom tomorrow. Millionaires think differently, long before they are millionaires. Chapter 5. The Power of Investing. Let's talk numbers. If you invest 15% of a normal income consistently, a 30-year-old investing €400 a month becomes a millionaire by retirement. If you invest more, you get there faster. Ramsey doesn't ask you to become a stock expert. He keeps it simple. Mutual funds, index funds, retirement accounts. Stay consistent. Don't time the market. Don't take unnecessary risks. Wealth builds slowly, but inevitably when you stay the course. Chapter 6. Life after becoming a millionaire. What happens when you follow the baby steps? You wake up one day and your house is paid off. You have no debt. You have 6 months of expenses saved. You're investing 15 to 25%. Your net worth reaches 7 figures. You're stress-free. You have options, and you can give generously. Ramsey says the goal isn't the number. The real reward is peace, freedom, impact, the ability to change lives. Wealth is not about showing off. It's about living a life on your terms without fear. Final message. So what's the lesson from Baby Steps Millionaires? You don't need luck. You don't need connections. You don't need a high-paying job. You don't need to be a genius. You need a plan, discipline, patience, and belief in yourself. Wealth isn't reserved for the rich. It's available to anyone willing to take small steps consistently. And if you start today, your future self will thank you.